XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move, within here, we mentioned if we want to see whether the price can break 1.01 or not, because we mentioned if the price cannot break, from there we can look for reversal. And as you can see, the price couldn't take 1.01, and there was a reversal for me. I didn't get any trade because the way it was reversing is really corrective. And the question is whether the price can break the previous top, which is 1.15 or not. If there is a breakout of 1.15, we are not considering it about this part. Then mostly we're looking for continuation. If not, because we explained, we can expect the price give us one more drop. But from what I can see here, still we can look for one move up. All right. Anyway, we move to daily chart. We start with daily chart. We want to see what we have based on bigger picture. Okay, based on bigger picture, technically when we want to look at this one as a sharp move, this one we can put for as a correction for one more drop before we get the reversal. All right, that's why we mentioned if the price give us one more drop, this is the levels we can expect the price to drop. And we mentioned how we can look at this one as expanding. All right, now whether we should wait for one more drop based on daily before we get the reversal, or from there we can expect the price to reverse. Now how we can look for trade, because we want to see whether we should follow the chart as a technical analysis because of this sharp move or not, if we want us to look for the next trade. All right, and what I can see that for me right now, still if I get opportunity to look for buy from this correction, I will take the trade for buy. And if there is a breakout of 1.15, the next level is 1.16 and following by 1.24. This is the level the price we're looking for. Then from there, we want to see whether there is a breakout of 1.24 or not. Because if we put our fib here, 1.24 is 61%. That means even we can expect the price to retake the 1.24 before we get the drop. Okay. Now the question is, if we get any opportunity to look for buy from here, still we can look for buy. The next level we're looking for is 1.18 following by 1.24. We want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. If there is a breakout of this zone, that means if we see that there is a breakout of 1.24, then from there we can consider we are in the bull market. All right. And this is what I need to explain. And if we get one more drop, we see the price couldn't break 1.15, any sell from there, we'll take it. And with the breakout of any 1.05, the next level we're looking for is 0.93. But still, for me, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it as a short-term trade. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. Okay. And to look for sell at this times, we don't see any opportunity to look for sell. Mostly what we can see here, technically, we can look for buy, and we need to see the breakout of 1.15, then following by 1.8, 1.18, following by 1.24. We want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. All right. Anyway, still we are within this correction. And the most difficult part is about this short move, whether we should consider as a part of the correction or not. That's why we're using the 61% of, as I explained earlier, we can use the 61% of this move. That's why as long as the price doesn't break the 1.24, still we can expect the price to drop. That means if you want to look for trade within this range, we consider it as a short term. But if there is a breakout of this one, what I mean by short term, that means we're looking at the 1.18 following by 1.24 as a target. When the price reach any of this level, at least we need to move our stop loss to break even or book some profit. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And in this case, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.